Hi everyone, welcome to the Dinso Resort in Patong Phuket, and this is a duplex pool villa that we're going to show you around today. So come on through. So we're up on the 6th floor and the hotel's set on a hillside, so it's very spectacular. So this is your top level of the duplex. So as you can see, you've got your sun lounges, table, chairs. It would be an amazing area if the sun was shining, but just come and take a look at these views though. So this is the top floor of the hotel, the 6th floor. And you come up to the rooms via like a little train up the hillside. Very cool and very different. But what I'll do is take you downstairs and show you the main area. So follow me down. So with this resort, you can book on a room-only basis or bed and breakfast. They've got a variety of restaurants you can use. I think there's around 3 different bars. There's a kids club, craft room. Okay, so this is your main bedroom area. So the rooms can sleep up to 3 people. Third bed would be a sofa bed, which is converted. So firstly, I'll show you the amazing bathroom. So look at this. So they've even set it up full of petals. So if you're going, you've got a gorgeous sunshiny day, you can actually take the roof off this as well. So you can really feel at one with nature. And of course, it's all very private if you're to do that. You've got your amenities again in here. So you've got a variety of toothbrush, dental kits, cotton buds, etc. And you've got your hairdryer as well. So this is the bathroom. You've got your coffee machine and your safe just through there. And then at the other side, if I can get into this side, is where you've got your dressing gowns, you've got your slippers, and you've got your beach bag and umbrellas as well. Let's close that up. So you've got a mini bar in here. So it is chargeable except for the water, but you've got your beers and your soft drinks and a Red Bull. So there is a mini bar list there. You can order room service and there is a QR code to scan the room service. They've also left us a little note to tell us what's going on for children, what activities are available, and there is a buy one get one free happy hour running 3 times throughout the day. They also left a gorgeous little box of chocolates as well as a welcome gift, with one missing. Alfie's been in there already. So you've got your large king size bed. And then this is the 3rd bed, which is perfect, absolutely fine for a child. Not sure for an adult, possibly, but definitely absolutely fine for your child. And then I'll just show you outside. This is where you'll find your private pool. Again, look at those amazing views. So the pool is completely private for each villa. And then you've got a little seating area at the side too. Have we felt it? Is it cold? Yeah. Probably all of that rainwater we've had. But how amazing. Look at those views.
It's been 17 days of rain.
It has. It's been non-stop. But yeah, so if you want something a little bit different, a little bit quirky, so like I mentioned, this is Patong area of Phuket. So there's plenty going on outside of the hotel as well. Or if you just want to stay in this absolute oasis, you've got plenty of options for food and drink venues in the hotel. It's all very modern, very quirky, and we'll show you more and more of the hotel as well. But any questions, drop them in the comments, let us know. But yeah, looking forward to our stay.